So obviously it's a beautiful day out here, you know. I see that it's a beautiful day out here for beer.
It's always a great day for beer.
How Vermonty is this environment right now? How Vermont is this on a scale of 1 to Vermont? Getting beer in the pouring rain.
It's Vermont.
Right on Lake Champlain.
Vermonters from here. That's what this is. It could be snowing and they'd still be here.
First time brewer festivals, first timers.
Yep.
We got some vets in the spot. Okay. So I'm here with Emma, Executive Director of the Vermont Brewers Association, here at the annual Vermont Brewers Fest, and usually it's a picturesque, amazing event that's on beautiful views of Lake Champlain, but today's a little cloudy, but we still have a lot of people that's coming out here and enjoying a 35 over 30.
It's our 33rd festival.
33rd festival. How many brewers do we have out today?
We have about 37 here today.
Is this your first session? Are you guys just coming out here on Saturday? Yeah. So you guys woke up, you guys saw, it is pouring rain, and you're like, yeah, beer time.
Okay. Yeah. We're not letting it stop. Not gonna let it stop.
Great to see everybody out, a bunch of different vendors. It's awesome.
What are we gonna fill our cups up with?
Bonehead.
Bonehead, okay.
I forget which one.
Foam Brewers, Ponyboy.
Ponyboy, ooh.
Basorum. Yeah.
What a name.
Yeah, merci.
Is that what we're drinking right now?
That's what we're drinking right now.
Is
Canadian,
Italian?
Canadian.
Canadian.
Wolfhead.
Wolfhead, okay. What are we drinking on?
We're drinking Squirrels.
Squirrel.
The Munich Dunkel.
The names that I'm getting today. What are we drinking now? What are we getting into?
This is a sip of sunshine.
See,
my second drink.
I'm not gonna lie, I've been hearing a lot of names. I've been hearing Nitro Blast, Imperium. I like Sip of Sunshine. 22 years of brewmanship? Is that the word? Craftsmanship. I'm trying to get into the vernacular a little bit while I'm out here.
Yeah, brew mastery.
Ooh, I like that.
So it started in 1991 by Greg Noonan, who also founded Vermont Pub and Brewery.
Nice.
The first brewery to exist in Vermont.
Wow, the one that's downtown, still down there. Nice.
And then it was with 6 breweries, and it expanded, obviously, as more breweries started opening. And it's just an opportunity to celebrate Vermont craft beer and also fundraise for the association.
I think for us, the cool thing is that, we get so many international breweries that come down as well and participate. Obviously, other regional breweries and are also our friends from all around.
Vermont is an awesome community. All of the brewers, it's typically tight-knit. We all kind of know each other. So for the most part, seeing friends that you haven't seen in a while, when you do these events, you kind of see the same people year in, year out.
Right.
And then when I get to experience it on the other side, you get to go around and taste everyone's beer.
How have you seen this festival evolve over the years? 7 years, you're kind of a veteran.
We brought more friends.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So every year we bring more friends.
It's a good range of breweries to go to all around Vermont, and it's like just a good place to meet new people and try new beers.
Mothership is the mothership.
Yep.
Are there any other beers that we can say number 2, number 3, things we can look out for?
Honestly, they're all so good.
I mean, I can't say this with a beer connoisseur because you're just
yeah. Everything.
It's just a big celebration of craft beer. We've got food vendors, retail vendors, DJs, games. It's raining and there's smiles everywhere. So it's gonna be a fun day.
Cheers. I don't do it on the job, but you guys, cheers. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed a sip of this year's Vermont Brewers Fest. As you guys can see, rain or shine, Vermonters are gonna drink their beer, and the rain is clearing up just a little bit, so it might get a little crazier. So without further ado, that means when the cameras are off, I'm on. I'm your boy Kachi, host of Kickin with Kachi, powered by the DC Voice. Until next time, peace.